Specialty handsaws are essential tools for precision cutting and woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. At Infinity Tools, we carry the most popular types of handsaws for any woodworking project, such as the Suizan Japanese saws, which cut on the pull stroke for better control. Our PAX handsaws follow the traditional Western design to cut on the push stroke, if you prefer that method of woodworking. And Shark has a fine line of Japanese-style pull saws with replaceable blades for their handles. Plus, each line includes a flexible flush cut saw, which allows for flush trimming dowels or plugs without damaging surrounding surfaces. And we even have both fret saws and a coping saw from New Concepts for cutting intricate curves and doing delicate trim work. They come in a selection of sizes, letting you reach deeply into your cuts for maximum versatility. Saws with rigid spines let you carefully follow scribe lines, such as when cutting dovetails, but that spine can restrict the depth of cut. Other models without those spines will let you cut through the full length or width of a board without that depth restriction. These tools are especially valuable for professional carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve expert-level finishes. When selecting a handsaw, consider the material you're cutting, the type of cut required, and the blade tooth count. If you're searching for the best specialty handsaw for woodworking or home repair, the best selection is waiting for you at infinitytools.com.